Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best microscope for kids is probably one of the most fascinating tools to spark a child's curiosity about science. It's a gateway to a hidden world, where they can explore everything from tiny insects to plant cells. This National Geographic microscope offers a fantastic opportunity for young scientists to learn, observe, and develop a lifelong love for the wonders of the microscopic universe. Get ready to unlock a world of discovery. Number 5. National Geographic Kids Microscope Science Kit. This microscope features dual LED lights and high-quality optical glass eyepieces. It provides 20x or 50x magnification, allowing kids to see details they never knew existed. It's a fantastic way to spark curiosity. The kit includes tweezers, a petri dish, an eyedropper, and more. There are also 35 prepared slides and 10 blank slides. It has everything needed to start exploring right away. With 35 prepared slides, including algae and plant cells, it immediately inspires wonder. Your child can explore a variety of cell structures right from the start. It's a great educational tool. A detailed learning guide describes the specimens and provides easy-to-follow instructions. It also gives steps to make your own slides, just like a real scientist. This kit makes learning fun. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. All products are backed by exceptional service. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like? This microscope features both upper and lower LED lights, allowing you to view a wide range of specimens. It also comes with a comprehensive kit, including prepared slides and tools for creating your own. If you are looking for a complete science kit to kickstart your child's exploration of the microscopic world, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The dual LED lights and 20x 50x magnification work well for exploring the included prepared slides and other objects around the house. The set is packed with accessories, slides, tools, and even a geode, which makes the whole experience feel complete and hands-on. It has both top and bottom lighting, allowing lots of objects to be viewed without putting them on slides. Number 4. National Geographic Kids Dual LED Microscope Kit. Discover a hidden world. This kit lets kids explore things they can't see with their own eyes. It's a fun STEM activity that will keep them entertained for hours. This microscope has 2 ways to view things. Use the bottom lights for slides or the top lights for 3D objects. It's perfect for young scientists. The kit comes with lots of extras. There are prepared slides, blank slides, and tools to create your own. It even includes a mini geode. It has strong lenses for 20x and 50x magnification. The microscope is easy to use, making learning fun and accessible. Kids will love doing science experiments with it. We make top-quality science toys. If you're not happy, let us know. We'll make sure you're satisfied with the product. What we like? With 2 microscopes in one, this kit offers versatility for viewing both slides and 3D objects. It includes over 50 accessories, providing everything needed for experiments. If you want a versatile microscope kit with plenty of accessories to keep your child engaged, this one is a great option. What people say. The dual LED lights and 20x 50x magnification work well for exploring the included prepared slides and other objects around the house. The set is packed with accessories, slides, tools, and even a geode, which makes the whole experience feel complete and hands-on. It has both top and bottom lighting, allowing lots of objects to be viewed without putting them on slides. The bottom lens is far away from the object. This keeps the children from cracking the lens into the object and breaking it, and it is portable, so you can take it with you outside if the kids adventure into outdoor discovery. The included slides are a great entry into the world of the small, and the ability to throw a rock, or a leaf, or any other object under the scope to zoom in is great for kids without having to prep a slide. Number 3. National Geographic Kids Microscope. This microscope is designed for kids, featuring easy-to-use focus knobs and a soft-touch eyepiece. It offers adjustable magnification and lights to provide a clear view of specimens. It's a great way for them to explore the world around them. With its large focus knobs and adjustable platform, it's easy to keep specimens in view. The microscope provides 3 levels of magnification, ensuring a great view every time. This makes it simple for young scientists to get started. The kit includes prepared slides of plants, rocks, and minerals, along with blank slides for creating their own. Kids can spend hours exploring the microscopic world with this STEM lab kit. They can discover the hidden details of the world around them. The kit comes with a pipette, specimen dish, and tweezers, along with easy-to-follow instructions. Kids can conduct many science experiments, investigating the world around them. It's like having a real science lab at home. The included lab guide has viewing activities, a super scientist game, and merit badge stickers. This helps kids use the microscope to its fullest potential. They can have fun while learning and earning rewards. This product is a high-quality, hands-on science toy, backed by exceptional service. If there are any issues, they will make things right. This ensures a positive experience for both kids and parents. What we like. This microscope is designed with ease of use in mind, featuring large focus knobs and an adjustable platform. It also comes with a complete experiment kit and a fun lab guide. If you have a younger child who is just starting to explore the world of microscopy, this is a great choice due to its user-friendly design and engaging activities. What people say. It was easy for him to navigate how all of the features work and even came with slides that already had things on them and different rocks crystals to look at. The lights work good too. The focus is super easy. It's just controlled by moving the stage up and down, and it's pretty easy to get it in focus. Number 2. National Geographic Kids Digital Microscope. This handheld microscope is wireless and portable, perfect for outdoor adventures. It can operate for up to 6 hours on a single charge, making it easy to carry around. It captures photos and videos in 1080p resolution. You can view them on the 4.3-inch tilt-adjustable LCD screen. The images can be saved on the included SD card. The microscope offers up to 800x magnification with adjustable zoom. A large dial helps you focus sharply. It also has an adjustable light for use in low-light conditions. The set includes everything you need for scientific exploration. There are prepared slides, blank slides, a mini geode, and a storage container. It also comes with a metal lab stand and instructions. We are proud to offer high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. It's designed to provide a great learning experience. What we like. This digital microscope is wireless and portable, perfect for on-the-go exploration. It allows you to capture photos and videos, saving them on an SD card. If you like the idea of a portable microscope that can capture and share images, this is the one for you. What people say. She found it very easy to use. Got it for my son and he had a blast with it, going around and looking at different materials of things around the house. The slides are sharp, so be very cautious when handling them. The picture quality is great. With the adjustment knob, it's very precise, I guess I could say. You need to dial in exactly to get a good quality picture. But it's not difficult by any means to get the right focus. Number 1. National Geographic 20x Microscope with Transport Case. This microscope is perfect for observing stones, coins, leaves, and more. It offers 20x magnification, allowing you to see details you never noticed before. With a high working distance, it can accommodate objects up to 8 centimeters in size. Its sturdy metal housing ensures a stable observation experience. The microscope head rotates 360 degrees for easy viewing. The two-tone object plate helps change the contrast of each observation object. It comes with a practical transport case and a dust cover. This protects the microscope during transport or when not in use. The dimensions are 25 by 14 by 11 centimeters and it weighs 851 g. Please note that this international product may have different terms and labeling. What we like. This microscope offers 20x magnification, perfect for observing stones, coins, and other objects. It features a sturdy metal housing and comes with a transport case. If you are looking for a simple, yet effective microscope for observing larger objects, this is a great choice. What people say. Hochwertig verarbeitet und die 20x Verschvergrößerung ist geeignet, die Natur ZB aus dem Garten zu erkunden. Viel Einfacher im Handling als ein Microscope. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.